Hi guys, I'm back with another squishy haul. Again, I did not get any of these today, and yes, some of them are fake. Okay, starting. So first, I have this blue RMS dumpling. It kind of color changes. I don't know why, but yeah. Also, yes, it did pop on the bottom, so I kind of just super glued it. I think it... Guys, it popped again. I'll fix it. Okay. Next, I have giant slow rise butter. Okay. And we have this. I got it at Five Below. So basically, it just like... Yeah, it's a bubble blower. I have another one. Where is it? They're siblings. Oops, that cracked. Okay. Then I have so it's big. This apple. I thought it was gonna be crunchy when I bought it. It's not. Then I have pink broken slow rise butter. Pretty good. Then, oh, a red RMS dumpling. Okay. Oh, then I have a popsicle. I took the air out. It is so much better than this ocean cube. For real. Like, give me a sec. It literally has like shells in it. Very good. Then, my RMS rose gold dumpling. Very good and very rare. Then macro-fruit. I don't know. It's not even a squishy. Oh yeah. Here is my very new giant Nido. Bye guys, see you in the next.